Hello, good day. So this is a quick example of how to transfer money from your USD or your USDT into the asset you're trading and then back to your USD. So it's more like a conversion rate, or it's more like a conversion rather. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is, you can see now, this is the home page, right, where you can see the different assets you can trade. You can see BTC, Ethereum, and all of that, right? And then the third one here is the assets. You can see all of them here. The money is currently on USD, and then you can see the assets below. They are currently on $00, right? Now let's say you want to convert USD into BTC. So what do? You come to trade. This is the trade, the one at the middle here. Click on it, and then you can see above here we have spot and we have futures and options, but we're only focusing on spot and futures, right? The futures is for the prediction aspect, but the spot is for the normal conversion, just like we've talked about. So you can see here now that we have these two things here. We have the chart here. Okay, we have an inbuilt chart, and then we now have the book here, the order book. We call it order book, where you can place your order. So now you can see here, now we have the assets just below the spot, this one here. So if you click on it, you can see currently is on Sol. But if you click on it, you can decide to change it to anyone you want to change it to. So now let's change it to BTC, the one at the top here. So we click on it. Don't forget that it's on spot. Make sure that it's always on spot, okay? Now the third one here, you can see we have buy, we have sell. You can see if I change it to sell, if I change it to buy. So currently on buy now, what is this saying now is like you want to buy BTC using the money you currently have, which is this 1000 USD here. You can see the available money you have. Now you want to buy BTC. Okay, so now let's say you want to buy BTC worth let's say $100 worth BTC out of your $1000. So that should be like 10% of your entire capital, which is $1000. So all you need to do here is just put 100 here. You see the way I typed it, okay? And after I typed it, you can see that this stuff actually moved. That means that is like 10% of the entire amount, okay? Then after you've done that, you can see the markets above here. Let's say you click on it here. Now we have different ways of entering the market, okay? So this market here means you want to swap it instantly. So make sure that it's always on market. Let's talk about this limit here. Let's say we click on limit here now. What's this limit trying to say? It means you want to place an order down for a future price. This is the future price. Let's say 90k. If Bitcoin drops to 90k per price, so come down below here and look at this place here that I just typed. Order value, you can see $100, and this is what it means per BTC. It means it's 0.001 BTC. So the same is what, $100, right? And then you click buy. So you can see then that we have the order already positioned. You can see order price below, and then once BTC gets to 90k, the order is going to trigger. But now let's cancel it and go to markets. Now I've cancelled it. Now let's look at markets. That's one that we want to be focusing mainly on, okay? So market means you want to execute the order instantly. So you can see it's currently on buy, and then you click order value, you put $100. That means you want to buy $100 worth of BTC, and then you click buy. You can see that the order has been executed instantly. Now all you need to do is go to your assets. You can see now that BTC is currently we have BTC worth 99.90 minus the fees that they charged, and your USDT is now down to $900 because you've already bought $100 worth of BTC. Okay, now if you want to sell off the BTC back into your USD, what you need to do is come back to trade, and then you come here and click on sell. Okay, and now you want to drag this to sell everything, all of the BTC you just bought just now. All right, you can see maximum sale, that's 99.8 BTC or thereabouts, and then you click sell. Order filled successfully, right? You've successfully sold it. Then come to your assets. Now you can see that you've already sold it. You can see now that you have $1000 worth of BTC back. So that's the same thing you're going to do for the remaining assets. So all you need to do is screenshot the before and after. Let's say you just bought BTC and BTC is currently, you now have $100 worth of BTC. You screenshot it and send. And then once you've sold it back, you go again and do another one for Ethereum. Once you already bought Ethereum, you screenshot it and send. Let's say we'll do for Ethereum now. Come to trade. You click on the asset above, this one here. Then you click on Ethereum, right? Now you want to buy Ethereum, bring it to buy. Okay? And now you want to buy $100 worth of Ethereum, and then you click on buy. You click on buy. Now you come to assets. You can see now that we have 99 point something worth of Ethereum, right? You screenshot it and send. Then you come back here and then you click on sell. You drag this stuff and then to the end, and then you click on sell. And now you can see that we have $0 worth of Ethereum, and we now have our $1,000 worth of USDT back. So that's how you're going to do for the remaining asset, like I think 10 different assets, and then you just keep sending the screenshots. The reason for this exercise is to just help you get the consistency, and so that you easily be able to master this aspect of it. Okay, so I hope this meets you well.